Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
That's pretty cool.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my mind, and my body, my body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last.
I went to the Apple store and I spent 2 hours there, guys. 2 hours because my phone was literally like another week and my phone probably would have crashed on me. Like I probably would have lost everything on my phone because my phone storage, I have 128 gigabytes and I thought I was doing something when we got these phones and it was 128 gigabytes. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna have plenty of space. No, I've only been creating content since November, December. My phone completely full. Completely full. I have like 0.01 left on my phone. So every time I would try to record, I have to delete stuff. And I was deleting stuff, but I wasn't getting no space. So I finally got out the bed and I went to the Apple store and they basically told me that there's no room. My phone is working overdrive just to function properly. Your options, you can get a new phone or, you can try other ways. So we had to basically clear out my whole phone and it was only backed up until like May 27th and today's June 8th. So about 10 days worth of footage that I've been filming. Everything I've done in the last week and a half to get ahead for this month, done. Erased. It's gone. This vlog, we're kind of restarting. I might most likely restart this vlog, so we'll see. We restarted my phone and everything, so I have everything coming back on my phone right now, but this might be the start or restart of this vlog. So yeah, but I guess like I said, on the bright side, I have room on my phone. So yeah, so that's it for now probably. I just got home from the Apple store maybe like half an hour ago. I got canes because I've actually been wanting canes for 2 weeks, but if it's not on my way home, and by that I mean if I don't have to pass it to get home, I'm not gonna stop off. I'm not about to do that. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to Walmart right now because I need to make a return. This is pretty rare because I don't really like to do returns, but I really need to return this for this air thing for my car because I don't really think that I need it, and I kind of just want to stop looking at it. And then I have to pick up a few things for the house that we need. I don't have any dish soap or anything like that, so I'm just taking you guys along with me on a trip to Wally World. And guys, it is so hot. Like June in Vegas is the worst. Like it's the absolute worst. Hey guys, so I'm out walking into Walmart right now we'll see how this works. I really hope that the line isn't like too long, because I never have the patience to be in lines like at all. Like, I hate it. In fact, I'm gonna start there first. Let's see. So I don't know if I'm gonna wait in this line because y'all, there's a whole bunch of people here. It's the middle of the day. You guys, I am mind blown right now. I had no idea this whole time, okay, that my tripod is extendable. Like, I don't know why I didn't know that, but I didn't. I'm sitting here in Walmart and my thing is kind of stuck. Oh, that's cute. Guys, I need a new charger. I need a car charger. This is obviously not where the plugs are. Yeah. Well, guys, so it's been about a month since I've had my car charger, and it's time for me to get a new cord. So a regular. I just hate how the price of goods are really just up. Like, I just need the cord, not even like the whole charger. Oh, here we go. iPhone. Okay. Guys, I love candles, and I have not had any candles in a while. So I'm looking specifically for something with sage in it, because I haven't had sage in a while, and sage is really it's really healing. It's really healing and soothing and whatnot. So I saw something over here. Oh, here we go. Wood, sage, and amber. Let's see. I like that. Okay. Also, I got another charger because we needed that. No, I don't like the cedar. I don't like that very much. So we're not gonna do that. Ooh, pineapple and ginger. Oof, okay. Pineapple and ginger, that's not really a good, I don't know, it's not really good. It's way too pineapple-y for me, so that's not it. We're just gonna stick with the first sage one because it's the next day. I think the last time I picked up the camera I was at Walmart. Yeah, I was at Walmart. But like I said, it's the next day. I'm actually on my way to the gym. I'm on my way. Today is going to be leg day. Leg and glute day. So I haven't had a day like this in a while. So pretty excited. I kind of have like my workout already like planned in my head and whatnot. And I've got some stuff to help with my workout. So I've got my ankle bands that you guys are gonna see in the gym with the, I forgot what this is called, but it hooks on the it hooks on to here, and it just helps you put extra tension when you're doing the workout, as well as my, I guess my booty band, booty band. Okay, so I have to dig these out because I haven't used them in months. Okay.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on conduct, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, all summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and hours, like we planned it. Junior Watanabe on my, Junior Watanabe on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my, I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. One in Atlanta, now my
Hey guys, so it's a little bit later in the day. I'm home from the gym. I took a shower and now I'm making my morning coffee right now. Guys, that workout was everything. Like, I am so sore, but yeah, it's okay though. And as you can see here, I'm just measuring out my creamer just to make sure that I don't go like overboard. It's something that I just recently picked up maybe about a month ago. And I literally just measure out how much creamer is going to go into the coffee. It helps me make sure I stay on track. And it also helps me to be able to visualize exactly how much creamer is going into my coffee. So it definitely helps me count my calories. And then I'm just whisking it up, pouring it into my coffee. And yeah. Morning guys. It is almost 12. It's Saturday morning, finally. And I've actually been up. I've been up for a few hours. I think my body it just be up, and I'm kind of hungry, so I'm actually going to just be making some breakfast. I'm actually making something that I haven't made before, so I'm actually gonna try to make some protein pancakes. Guys, I bought this mix. I'm really trying to make sure that my protein intake is where it's supposed to be. We've got some vanilla extract for them. I want to put like chocolate chips in, but I don't have any. So, and I'm just gonna make them simple and then like add some spidaz if I like them. And then I'm just gonna make some eggs with a little bit of cheese. I don't know if I want sausage. I think I'm kind of over breakfast meat. I'm gonna keep it simple, just the protein pancakes and some eggs. So I'm gonna stop rambling and I'll just prop you guys up and you guys can watch me prepare this.
About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high up your love, I don't know how to do it. You're brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, brown sugar. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't pop. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all here. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be. Brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate.
Okay, so far, I hope they turn out okay. Like, I really do. So far, I mean, they seem to cook like regular pancakes, so
This is great dining room space. They have all the family over.
I'm interested to see how this works, see how this turns out. But they turned out pretty good so far. So far, they look good. I put a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla in there, so I'm hopeful.
Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Brown sugar.
Not gonna eat all of these. Now I know I could probably use half of what I use because I'm only gonna eat 2, maybe 3. But I don't know. I'm excited to try them. So yeah, as you saw, I got the chicken prepped already for either later for dinner or tomorrow. I have my eggs cooking right now.
That's not the fun stuff for me.
No, it's the fun stuff. It's
Okay,
framing,
so yeah, my eggs are pretty much done, so I'm about to make my plate.
1 or 2 of these doors.
Oh my god, I was really about to be disappointed if I didn't have any syrup.
Oh, it's like
But I
pretty. I like the
all
color.
that to not have syrup. And then here is what my plate is looking like.
Worst houses in town.
Oh my god. I love being part of Las Vegas.
Morning, guys. Today is Sunday, and I'm on my way to church right now. And I'm not running late. Like, what? I'm not running late. So, that's a good sign for me. Guys, it's so hot. But yeah, since today is also Sunday, I'm really debating if I want to like end this vlog today. Like, get like one more like cooking portion in and then end it, or if I want to end it tomorrow so that I can get another workout in and then just edit it, like, end it, and then tomorrow Monday just start. I don't know. I don't even know how this vlog is going to perform on my channel. do have something fun that I'm doing tomorrow, which I think would be fun. Okay, I'm gonna think about this. I don't know, I'm gonna think about this. Morning guys, it's the next day, and I just wanted to get on here to officially close out this vlog because it's Monday, and I just think that I'm gonna end last week's vlog because it's a new week now. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will definitely be getting better as I remember to pick up the camera when I'm doing something. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little snippet. This week was really, I didn't really do too much. I got a pretty good workout in, which I'm still sore from days later. So I'll probably keep recording my workouts and what I'm eating, cooking, all that good stuff. But yeah guys, if you haven't already, make sure that you click that subscribe button, make sure you like and you leave a comment telling me like what you might want to see next from me or anything, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Love is a one in a million.